Getting started with your MGHome Landline is simple. Just follow these 3 steps: setting up, testing, and pairing. Step 1. Setting up. Where to place your base unit. To begin, place your MGHome Landline base unit in a central, easy-to-access location. The base requires constant power and a landline telephone connection. Avoid placing the base unit in damp areas like bathrooms, near heat sources such as microwave ovens, which can interfere with call quality. You can set up your MGHome Landline using a wall jack or a modem. If you're installing the base unit using your home's main landline wall jack, follow these steps. Position the base unit near the main landline wall jack using the provided 6-foot foam cord. Identify the ports on the base unit, labeled Line In, on your home phone, typically labeled Line or Telephone. Connect the base unit. Unplug the phone line from your home phone, leaving the other end connected to the wall jack. Plug the free end into the Line In port on the base unit. Connect the landline phone. Use the provided phone cord to connect to phone on the base unit to your home phone. Power on the device. Ensure the AC power adapter is plugged in. If not, connect it to the back of the base unit. Press the red power button on the back of the base unit. The info button will light up green once the base is powered and connected properly. This may take a few seconds. Verify the connection by picking up your home phone and listening for a dial tone. If you're installing the base unit using a modem, follow these steps. Place the base unit near your modem using the same 6-foot cord. Identify the telephone ports. On the base unit, Line In. On the modem, usually labeled Line or Telephone. Connect the base unit. Unplug the phone line from the home phone, keeping the other end connected to the modem. Plug the free end into the Line In on the base unit. Connect the home phone. Use the provided phone cord to connect to phone on the base unit to your home phone. Power on the device. Plug in the AC adapter if not already connected. Press the red power button on the back of the base. The green info light will indicate the unit is powered and connected. May take a few seconds. Check for dial tone using your home phone. Here's an overview of how to install your cables. For wall jack installations, take 1 cord from the wall jack to Line In and 1 from your home phone to the base. For modem installations, take 1 cord from the modem to Line In and 1 from your home phone to the base. Step 2. Pairing. If you have additional buttons or pendants, let's pair them with your MGHome Landline base unit now. Press and hold the white pairing button on the back of the base unit for 3 seconds. The info button will flash blue and the base will announce. Entering pairing mode, press the button on the peripheral to connect to the device. Press and hold the button on your pendant or peripheral for 3 seconds. The base unit will confirm, pairing completed, exiting learning mode. Now that your MGHome Landline is on and your pendants are paired, let's move to step 3, testing. Gather all pendants and accessories within range of the MGHome Landline. Press and hold the info button until you hear Release for testing device. Release the info button to enter test mode. The device will announce Entering test mode. Press the help button to connect to the test center. Press and hold the help button on either the base or a paired device for 3 seconds. The system will prompt. Please state your name to test the 2-way microphone. Once the test is complete, the device will say, Call complete. If a live operator answers, simply say, This is just a test. Reminder, wait at least 60 seconds between each test. And that's it. Your MGHome Landline device is now set up and ready for use. For more information or support, visit our support site, www.medicalguardian.com/support.